one really difficult aspect about INFPs and goal setting and regaining control over our lives is the phrase, "it'll just feel right." I'll know when I get there. It'll just feel right. Because that's really hard to calibrate to. It's really hard to align your life and your goals and your actions when you don't really know what you're seeking, because it's a kinesthetic feeling. And what I've found out is that the best way that you can do that is continuously check in with yourself. Of course, it's really important. I'm not saying to not do that. The best way that I've figured out how to deal with this is to think about what actions and environment and identity and beliefs you would need to have in order for that feeling right check to emerge. So instead of wandering around like in a forest searching for this feeling that feels right, when you reverse engineer this goal setting strategy, so that instead of looking for what feels right, you're doing the things that will create the feeling that feels right in the end, then you're more likely able to track and measure your progress and achieve the things that you want. And that's what we all want for ourselves and for the rest of the world. So I hope that you find it too. Find what feels right. Get a little taste of it and then say, wow, what was I doing when this happened? How did I do that before? Let me do that again. Let me create that environment within, and then continuously show up and make it happen so that it does happen.